Happy morning, children. We will start with practice set 2.4, question number 2, second example. First, we have already completed. Now, for the second example, as I said, first compare the given quadratic equation with the general form of the equation. That is, ax square compare with, we will start now. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This will be the first step. Then what we will do, we will write the values of a, b and c. A is equal to, compare, a here, nothing is here means there is 1. B is minus 3 and C is minus 2. This is over. Now second step will be, we need to find the value of B square minus 4AC, which is equal to, now B is minus 3, substitute, square here 2, minus 4 into A is 1 into negative C is minus 2, put it in bracket, which is equal to minus 3 square is 9. Minus 3 square means minus 3 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9. So we'll get 9. Here, this is minus. B square minus 4 is. So first write minus. 4 into 1 4. 4 2s are 8. And this minus sign is there. So you will put minus 8, which is equal to 9. Bracket means multiplication. Minus into minus is plus. So 9 plus 8 will be 17. Now what is the formula? By formula means already we have discussed. What formula has to be applied? X is equal to, see this for the first example when we were doing this formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This formula we will apply. And we will write x is equal to, now here the variable is x, so we will write x. For the first also the variable was x only. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now all the values of a, b, c we need to write. X is equal to, the value of a here, a is 1, B is minus 3 and C is minus 2. So we will substitute. Now this minus, write it like this, minus. So the value of B is minus 3 plus or minus, what is the value of B? Minus 3 square. No, now this we need not have to write this step because X is equal to minus, B is minus 3 plus or minus, already b square minus 4ac we have got the answer. That answer is 17. So I will substitute here. This 17, I will write it down here. There's no need to write it again. Upon 2a, 2 into, the value of a is 1. That is easy. Which is equal to, x is equal to, minus into minus is plus. Plus 3 plus or minus square root of 17 upon 2, which is equal to, now once you take plus and another time you take minus, 3 plus square root of 17 upon 2, or x is equal to 3 minus square root of 17 upon 2. So final conclusion you will write 3 plus square root of 17 upon 2 comma 3 minus square root of 17 upon 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. This is the way you have to solve the second example. Now we will start with the next example, that is this one. Third sum, you can do it for homework. Fourth one, I will solve it for you. 5m square minus 4m minus 2 is equal to 0. Now same method, what we will do? Compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So the value of a is 5 here, b is minus 4 and c is minus 2. Now what we will do? Find the value of b square minus 4ac. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to, the value of b is minus 4. Then square minus 4 into a is 5 into c is minus 2, which is equal to minus 4 square is 16. Minus into minus is plus. This all you should know. Now this minus I'll write as it is. 5 4s are 20. 22s are 40. And this minus. So it will be minus 40. Bracket close, which is equal to 16. Minus into minus plus 40, which is equal to 56. Now very important, the formula, how it's going to change. Now the formula will change because the change means the variable here is m. So instead of x we will write m, and we will get m is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, which is equal to, now minus already is there, so keep it like this, and b is minus 4, so you need to be very careful. Minus 4, put the bracket whenever there is negative, plus or minus. Now b square minus 4ac value we have already got, that is 56 upon 2 into a is 5. And so what we will do now? Here minus into minus plus. So we will write, I'll just write the step here, and 56. Now 56 means what we can do? See here. So again I have written the earlier step where 5 2s are 10. So here m is equal to minus into minus plus 4 I have to write, plus or minus. Now 56 is there. Now 56 we can write it as, means we need to simplify with 14 4s are 56. Correct? So 14 4s are 56 means square root of 4 will be 2. So we can take 2 outside, and what we will get? This 10 right here, which is equal to plus 4 plus or minus 2 root 14 upon 10. Now this also further we can simplify. We can take 2 common. So what will remain here? 2 plus or minus square root of 14 upon 10. Correct? 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So in a simplified form you will get 2 plus or minus square root of 14 upon 5. Now 56, this is simple. 14 4s are, you can write and take it. Square root of 4 is 2. So I have taken it out. Simplest way, if you are having any doubt, no, you can always find the prime factors. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are 7 1s are. So from here only here square root sign is there. So we can make out 2 2s are 4. So you can write it as 7 2s are 14, 14 4s are. I did it directly because the number was small. But if you have doubt like this, you can write all the prime factors, then you can write 2 into 2 like that you can do and get it like this also. Okay, so this way you have to do. So further one more step, m is equal to, once you take plus and then next time you take minus, or m is equal to 2 minus square root of 14 upon 5. So these are the two roots of the given equation. Also write the conclusion, because in board exam they are sometimes giving 1 mark for writing the conclusion, and suppose if the student has not written, they are reducing that 1 mark. Are are the roots of the given quadratic equations. So I think 3 sums I have solved, and remaining to 3 you can do it for homework.